Today we're looking at different number sequences and identifying the pattern. This first sequence here is increasing each time, and we're going to find what the difference is. So 1 and 3 in the difference here, so I subtract 3 minus 1 is 2, so I'm adding 2. Here again I'm adding 2, and adding 2. Because I'm adding the same number each time, this is called an arithmetic or even numerical sequence. The next one I'm going to look at here is another kind of sequence. Here I could add 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, but 4 plus 2 does not give me 8. So it's not numerical because the pattern is not remaining the same each time. Instead, I'm going to look here and ask myself, can I multiply or divide anything to make these numbers? 2 times 2 gives me 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and so on and so on. So because this is times 2 each time, then this is called a geometric sequence. All right? Geometric does not mean that it's only shapes. Geometric refers to multiplying to find the next number in the series. And another pattern here is this one here. This is one of the famous ones by Fibonacci. And here I'm looking, so this one I'm adding 0, here I'm adding 2, I'm adding 1, I'm adding 3, or 2, I'm sorry, I'm adding 3, I'm adding 5. So you can't really look here or add it. Can I multiply to make the next number? 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 doesn't give me 2. So it's not multiplying. This one is a different pattern where you're actually adding these numbers together to get the next number. So 1 plus 1 it gives me 2. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. 2 plus 3 gives me 5. 3 plus 5 gives me 8. 5 plus 8 gives me 13, so 8 plus 13 would give me the next number. This is a kind of pattern that is called recursive. I add these numbers together to find the next number in the pattern. And these are the different types of sequences: arithmetic, geometric, and recursive. Arithmetic or numerical is when I add to find the next term. Geometric is when I multiply to find the next term, and recursive is when I add the two terms together to find the term that follows.